Welcome to my channel. We're going to go ahead and remove a damaged plug drain. This one that I'm showing right now is a new replacement. Has the spuds, the little cross section in place. And that was a tool. This is the cross section they call spuds. The rotted one, they don't exist anymore. They've just fallen apart. This is an extractor tool that can also be used, and you hammer it down in there. Then you use if you want, a 3/8 socket and ratchet to remove it. But it was beyond that. Either this tool or the other extractor should remove one that's in fairly decent condition. When this was hit by the extractor, the top portion just broke off, which remaining section was this sleeve that's threaded on both sides, because that goes inside of the plastic drain section, the PVC. What we had to do is use this miniature hacksaw. You can buy at your local hardware store, under 10 bucks. And I had to cut and score the remaining section with the hacksaw. What I did, I cut one side and then about 180 degrees off on the other side. So once I cut through, I can go ahead and squeeze and collapse it with either, you can use a little screwdriver tip, and that'll work also, just to collapse it. Once you're cutting through, just be patient. It takes time. Seems like you're going nowhere, and then all of a sudden it does start cutting through once you get a little bite on it. Remember, the hacksaw cuts in one direction. The teeth, you can change if you want the other way, but that's set directional, as pushing forward. So it's just little by little, and then once I did have it collapse and fold on itself, I just pulled it out with a pair of these channel locks, or a pair of pliers you can just use for that. You see the threaded portion on the outside. You have to make sure when you're cutting through, you don't damage that section, that PVC section that's remaining in the tub. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you removing a pain in a drain bathtub, and this will save you some money and time. Anyways, take care, and thanks for watching our video.